Today I got 4 holes to put in the roof, and then we're jumping inside to remove the bulkhead and start on the sound deadening. The solar panels have 2 cables each. All 6 of those cables need to go into the van. I don't really want to put all the connections outside the van when it can be avoided. Cables go in that end, and the bottom goes to the van. Sticks on the car. So this is an antenna for 3G, 4G and 5G cell networks. And basically it's got these 2, I don't even know what they're called, mini BNC connectors on the other end. And that'll connect to a router that broadcasts a Wi-Fi network. So my van will always be connected as long as I have 3G, 4G or 5G. I haven't got the router yet, but while I'm doing things on top of the van, I'm sticking this on. It's just gonna go right there. Hammerite, direct to rust metal paint in smooth white. While that's drying, I'm going to start taking out this wood that's on the walls of the van, have a look what it looks like behind, and then after that I'm going to take out this bulkhead. So it's exciting, the van's going to look totally different. Different vibes. It's actually not too bad either, it's not that dirty behind there. Little bit of dust going on. Very easily cleanable though. Let's get that bulkhead out and do a bit of cleaning. So in case you were interested, I'm getting rid of this double seat and replacing it with one of them just there, and they're both going to be able to swivel. Let's give everything a quick clean, and by that time the paint should be dry on all 4 holes. Quite satisfying doing that, and it's the first time I've really been able to like properly look at the van, and it's good. There isn't really much going on. There's definitely been an attempt down here to reattach the trim or pull out a dent or something, but I'm not really worried about that. Everything else looks awesome. So I've got 3 holes, 3 gland things. I'm gonna have basically one of these per solar panel. 20mm grommet stops the cable from rubbing on the metal in the hole. See that? Nice and soft. I'm gonna just put them on without the cables going through because the cables wanna pull them up all over the place. Once again, it is raining. And once again, we got our old friend, isopropanol alcohol. This one's different because the antennas come with its own 3M adhesive, which is going to be 100% waterproof. And it's got a little wing nut which tightens up from underneath. So I'm on a raised bit. I should just be able to stick this down. That's the Wi-Fi antenna done, the walls off, cleaned, the bulkhead off, the 3 holes for the solar panel cables, all good. So these are little like cable tie clips that go into the extrusion. Look how that sits on there, solid. And then I can cable tie the cables to it. So you can take the end off and you're left with just the pin. The pin fits through I'm just going to get everything out of the rain and then come in here with the sound deadening stuff and start applying it to the walls. Alright, so sound deadening, what is it? In a van when you're driving along, all these metal panels vibrate loads and make loads of noise. So what this stuff is, this is the Deadn Pro stuff from DodoMat. Now it's quite dense, very, very sticky on one side. And what it does is, every piece of metal has like a resonant frequency. When you apply this to a panel, you don't need much, just a little bit in the center of each panel. It lowers the resonant frequency of the panel. It doesn't vibrate half as much as you're going down the road. so you can hear it way less. Alright, so the first test with the Deadn by Dodo Mat is going to be the back doors. I'm going to put the camera in one spot, I'm going to open and close the doors, then I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to open and close the doors again. Yeah, so it's not very exciting, very functional. I'm going to basically work my way around the van and get it all covered, including the ceiling. Does anyone know what this like weird textured stuff is? Oh yeah, perfect. So I think that's where I'm going to leave it for the night. The whole van is now sound deadened, including all the doors and above the cab. Next step is the insulation, which will keep me nice and warm. But look at this. This is the air conditioning that'll keep me nice and cold. If you want to see me fit that, check out the video on screen now. I'm turning this van into a tiny home to go traveling. If you want to follow the whole process, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.